Okay, so yeah, hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everybody who does not know me, I am PaisliB. The B is separate, but I put it together. But anyways, yeah, so today we did yet another smoky eye. I was gonna go really natural, but I changed my mind because I've been obsessed with smoky eyes lately and I have not been wearing makeup or going anywhere like that to be wearing a smoky eye. So here y'all go, smoky eye flannels, you know, just a little 1, 2, 3. I got on my pajama pants underneath this because I ain't going nowhere. But anyways, yeah, so I really like this look. It's a brown smoky, a dark brown smoky with a highlighted lid, and also highlighted my inner corners. Mommy, but yes, Mommy. Yes, Kelsey, yes. Oh, okay. So, yeah, so.
Guess what?
Guess what?
I am having a webinar for my babies. And, you know, a lot of people might have questions like, oh, what's the difference between a webinar and watching a YouTube video? Well, the difference is, on YouTube, I might not see your questions right away, and sometimes I don't get to answer all of your questions. Well, on the webinar, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step on how to properly apply makeup. I'm going to have a model, and also you're going to be able to ask questions live. I'm going to be able to answer them right then and there. And, you know, I'm going to try to do it at least once a month. I'm doing it to where it's an affordable price. It's $50. I am going to put the link in my description box below. I only have 50 slots available. 50 slots available for everybody who wants to participate. You can participate from anywhere in the world, which is why I did it, because y'all have been begging me to do a webinar. So yeah, here it is. It's going to be on February 17th. February 17th is what I'm going to be going live with the webinar. You know, I'm going to have a more detailed video and keep promoting about it. My words, keep promoting about it leading up to the date. So yeah, I'm very excited. This is my first webinar of very many. Like I said, I'm going to be doing it once a month, but yeah, I'm so excited, and the link will be in my box below. Click on that link and get your tickets, boo. Period. Point blank. But anyways, yeah, so if you would love to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Okay guys, we're gonna eat. So you're just not gonna focus. Okay. Okay guys, we're just gonna ignore the fact that I am looking sick. And I'm gonna hope and pray that we can snatch it all back together. So I'm just gonna start off with spraying my face with the rose water because my face is really dry because the weather is going from hot to cold and just whatever it wants to do. So that, just gonna let that dry in my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Poreless Shine and use my sponge to press it in. Make sure I get up underneath my eyes because I'm looking real tired. I'm just on the rest of my face now. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my LA Pro Girl foundation. My LA Pro Girl is in the color bronze, and my Maybelline Fit Me is in the color 330. Just now put it all over my face. So in my comments, somebody said that my tutorials feel rushed to them. So if y'all feel like I'm rushing through my tutorials, let me know what y'all feel like y'all want me to have in the videos, because I'm trying to do it to where like my videos are not 20 minutes long. so I can still grab everybody's attention and keep your attention. So I didn't want it to be very long, so I just need to know like the key essentials that you are. So now I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D and my NARS concealer. I start off, this is the Caramel and NARS and M27 Warm. Now I'm going to put some around my mouth because my stash is growing back. Oop. Yeah, y'all, so if you didn't watch my other videos, please watch them. But in the other video, I mentioned that I got my mustache threaded for the first time, and I actually liked it. I liked it. I liked it a lot. It made my lips seem plumper, almost like I got my lips done. And it's just all around smoother, but it's starting to grow back. So sis needs to go and get another little one too, you know. A cup in my RCMA and mix it up together. So let's set this face. Let's set this face. And I'm gonna spray my face again with the rose water because I want my face to kind of stay a little dewy. Rose water kind of tastes good. Okay, so while that's baking, I'm gonna go in with my, I don't know where this brush is from, the Crown brush. I'm gonna dip inside my medium tan and dark and set the rest of my face. And I want to try something different because I ran out of my black radiance. I'm going to try this color inside my Juvia's Place palette with my Morphe M106 brush. And I'm going to, you know, deepen the hollows of my cheeks and go around my hairline. Gotta be careful because this stuff is super pigmented. I'll brush some off. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Morphe. I'm going to do my brows. So you're gonna brush your brows up, and then I go underneath to trace it a little bit. Okay, so next I'm going to go into my Morph palette. This is the Artistry Dare to Create palette, the 39A palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here. We just gonna go in, okay? So I'm just gonna go into like my brow bone area to start on my process and I'm going to go in with the color directly next to it, this right there. Take the same brush and I'm going to go over my lid with this reddish color right here. It's like a burnt orange reddish color. I'm gonna go in like the dark chocolate brown that they have on there and dip it into that burnt orange back and forth and tap it on my lid to start creating that brown smoky. Then I'm gonna go in with that even darker brown and a tap of the black and go right on top of this and just dab it right there. So now I'm going to go back into that Morph palette and I'm gonna grab this shimmer. I have Tutu brush. I'm gonna spray it with some rose water because for some reason I can't ever just keep a simple smoky, now can I? Or should I keep it like this? Nah, I'm gonna dip a little bit of shimmer on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my dark and dark tan, medium tan, I'm sorry, and I'm going to go back and forth and press in that under eye. Because I've been baking for far too long. And I like to press it. I feel like it looks way better when it's like pressed in the skin. Okay, so now that everything is like blended back and brought back to reality, sometimes like for extra security, I like to press my bake into the skin. So I spray my beauty blender with rose water and I just kind of like press it in. To hold my bake in place, and it just makes me feel better. I don't know if this is an actual technique that other people do, but I feel like when I wet it a little bit and it dries down, it makes me seem more chinky. My bake lasts way longer. So yeah. Okay, so off camera I smoked out my bottom liner and I'm going to attempt to put my lashes on camera. Okay, let's see how this goes. I usually have to put my lashes on off camera because I'm not good at putting them on camera, but oh, we did good. Okay, so I got both lashes on. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face. MAC in my Black Radiance combo that I always use. Highlight that brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight the inner corners of my eye, and I'm gonna use Anglola from the crayon case. Okay, tutorial by Kelsey. Eyebrow pomade and the beauty sponge. What you doing? Tell them what you know. Okay, she don't want y'all to see. She's keeping her secrets. Oh, here. Okay. So I'm here, and Kelsey. Say hi, Kelsey. Okay. But Kelsey's here. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with it. Let's zoom, zoom, zoom. Make my heart go boom, boom. Oh, wait. My lips. 1 second. You want me to start it over?
No.
Okay, happy? Okay. Here's the finished look. I'm gonna pick you up. Of course you do. What? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What you doing there, baby? Don't stand on that, okay? Go sit on the futon.